this question RM is to find out what does the unit vector perpendicular to the following, that is 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap vector and the another vector. So RM is to find out a vector which is perpendicular, a unit vector which is perpendicular to this vector and this vector. So let's say our first vector, I'm just taking it as nothing but a vector, and the second vector I'm taking it as nothing but b vector. So what we require is a vector which is perpendicular to both a and b. So we know that if I'm going for a vector cross b vector, then we'll get a vector which is perpendicular to both a and b. So we are going to find out the value of a cross b first. So we can find out by using a determinant method, that is I, j, k. First we can write the component of a over here, that is 2, 2 and minus 1, and b we can take it as 6, minus 3 and 2. Now we can write this is equal to I cap into, over here 2 into 2, this is going to be nothing but 4, minus, this is 3 into minus 1, this is going to be nothing but plus 3. Then we can write j cap minus j cap into, you can write this into this, which is nothing but 4 minus 6 into minus 1, which we can take it as nothing but minus 6. So it's going to be plus 6 plus k cap into, we can observe that if I'm taking this k cap, so this is 2 into minus 3, which is minus 6, and this term 6 into 2, which is equal to 12, so minus 12. So this vector is nothing but I cap minus 10 j cap minus 18 k cap. So this is our a vector cross b vector. So this vector is perpendicular to a vector and b vector, but we require a vector of magnitude 1, or we require a unit vector. So we know that how to find out the unit vector of this vector. Let's say this is c vector, and suppose our aim is to find out the value of c cap, that is c vector divided by its magnitude. So let's see what about the magnitude of this vector. So we can write magnitude of this vector is equal to under root of its x component square, that is 1, plus 100 square, 10 square, which is 100, and minus 18 square, which is equal to 324. So if you are adding these things, we will get 324 plus 1, 325 plus 100, that is 425. This 425 can be written as something by 25 into 17, and root of 25 is nothing but 5, so this can be written as 5 root 17. So we can find out a unit vector of the c vector, that is a c vector divided by its magnitude, that is I cap minus 10 j cap minus 18 k cap divided by c, which is nothing but 5 root 17.